In 2012, biologists from around the world met at Indiana University to chart the course of future research on the Junco. Since Rowan's pioneering discovery of photoperiodism in the 1920s, Juncos have played a starring role in groundbreaking discoveries from a remarkable array of biological disciplines. From Ellen Ketterson's long-term research on testosterone and social behavior, to Borja Mila's continued quest to understand their spectacular diversification across the continent, to ongoing studies in San Diego, where they're evolving right before our eyes, Juncos continue to teach us important lessons about the natural world.
It's a very exciting time to be an evolutionary biologist right now because we're just now being able to link some of the physical aspects we see about organisms, about birds, such as their plumage, their morphology, even their behavior, to specific genes. Up until now, it's been very difficult to actually isolate genes because really it's looking for a needle in a haystack. The size of the genome is so large and these individual genes are so small that it's been very difficult to zero in on them. Now with new sequencing technologies, what we're being able to do is sort through more and more of that haystack to find the needle. But now we can look at the entire genome, and the difference between that is probably about 1 million times what we could do before in the same amount of time.
Despite nearly 100 years of intensive research on the Junco, there's no end in sight to what we can learn through studying this amazing group of birds.
Hello, my name is Trevor. We can learn a lot about how to live in the city from the Junco.
We can learn about speciation from the Junco.
Adaptation.
Climate change.
The brain.
Hybridization.
We can learn a lot about violence from the Junco.
How genes affect behavior.
Reproduction.
We can learn a lot about mate choice.
Evolution.
Gene expression.
Range expansion.
Communication.
We can learn a lot about maternal care from the Junco.
And geographic variation.
Hormones.
Gonads.
Monogamy.
We can learn a lot about sex, food, and death.
Yourself.
Sensory systems.
Trait selection.
We can learn a lot about disease ecology.
Olfaction.
Plasticity.
We can learn a lot about beauty in nature from the Junco.
So the next time you see a little gray bird, maybe even in your own backyard, remember to take a second look and consider all that can be learned from the ordinary, extraordinary Junco.